Cheetor. So just a quick overview and history of this character. So Cheetor is a Maximal, and he's one of the first Maximus to land on the prehistoric Earth. In terms of personality, we could compare him with Bumblebee, but he has a more of a rebellious, carefree, teenage-like character. And in terms of beast mode, kapag nasa beast mode na siya, kung napapanood niyo dati ang Hunter x Hunter or Hunter x Hunter, mapapansin niyo na his robot form is almost similar to Cheetu. And dahil nga sa kanyang carefree and rebellious attitude, he is fond of having adventures. Kaya lang, minsan napapahamak siya. But at the end of the day, everything goes well and okay naman. If mapapansin ninyo, this is not the first form of Cheetor. Cheetor actually has 3 forms. The first form is this one, kung makikita niyo itong image na to. Ang normal na cheetah form niya, which has no mechanical hint at all. And then after that form, this basic maximal form, nag-evolve si Cheetor, and he became this Transmetal 1 form after niya ma-expose sa Quantum Surge. Sa Transmetal form na to, nagkaroon siyang additional features. And after ng Transmetal 1 form niya, nagkaroon siya ng Transmetal 2 form as well. So, second form ng Transmetal. So, aside from being a cheetah-like character, he has the third form actually has a more savage-like aura to it. Hindi niya masyado rin makontrol yung Transmetal 2 form na yon, though mas malakas na version yon ni Cheetor. And actually may fourth form siya, but that is on the sequel, which is on the Beast Machines Transformers.